Hi guys, here we are at the Tegeler Audio Manufaktur booth. As you guys know, the Superbooth is not really about pro audio gear, not only a list, but here we have a really good bunch of pro audio gears for studios. So I heard you have a really nice, cool reverb you introduced a few months back. So could you tell us a little bit more about this machine?
Yeah, the name of the machine is Raumzeitmaschine,
Okay.
means space-time machine in English. We included our remote control technology at first, so it comes with a plugin. And you change something on a plugin, also the knobs will follow. And also the other way around, you change it here and in a plugin it will follow.
So it's both ways?
It's both ways, but it's a hardware unit, so everything is done here. You can use it without a plugin, just as a normal gear. And what we did, we combined the technology we have with tubes, so that reverb has a tube and a transformer input. Then the reverb is calculated, and then it's a tube and transformer output.
So it gets a nice analog warmth on the inside, so on the input side of things, and also on the output side of things.
Yes, and the reverb itself is an algorithmic reverb, so it's calculated, and no impulse responses or whatever. And you have only a few knobs to change the sound.
Correct.
So it's really easy to use. You just dial in the sound you like. Not complicated, no submenus, no
I like it, man.
parameters.
It looks beautiful. And I assume since you went the extra mile of actually designing the plugin, and is that also a way to store your presets, let's say within your DAW session? So you recall the session and that's all in there?
Of course, that's the point. You recall your session and then have everything. And it also comes with presets.
Okay. So it comes with already presets that you guys made at the factory, plus I can also
store your own. But actually, it's nice to have some presets, but you have only 3 knobs to change the sound. The thing is, you just tweak a little bit, and that's it. And it sounds very natural, combined with the tubes. What the tubes give you, that nice little bit golden finish on it. It's unique. It's not like a Lexicon or like a Bricasti. It's a unique sound, but very natural sound.
Yeah, for the guys out there, they're a big fan of the Lexicon or the Bricasti M7. Those are really wonderful machines that you want to have in your studio, but this is something unique, I must say. Also, the recallability makes it so much easier and so much faster when it comes down. We all have clients that are like, can you do a revision on that? Can you bring it down a bit? This is going to make our life so much easier. That's great. Could I ask you what's the street price of this unit?
The street price is 2,799 euro, including tax.
And you handmade all of this in Berlin?
It's made in Berlin.
That's great. I mean, I also recognize some of the units you've been like always revered for, like the Cream. That's kind of a VCA style compressor with Pultec EQ, so boom and fizz. Then I can see
that's a Schwerkraftmaschine.
Okay.
It's a variable compressor, also with remote control. So there's also a plug-in to.
Also this way. Okay.
Yeah, and also included some digital technology in a sidechain. So full analog signal path, but the sidechain you can change the character in many ways by just switching the mode.
So for instance, if you are, I don't know, compressing gently your 2-bus, but you don't want that low end to kind of really trigger the detector, you can digitally tell the sidechain filter not to grab that low end
information. Of course, it's a flexible sidechain filter here. We have a low-cut filter from 0 to 300 and also have a tilt EQ on that side. You can change, for example, at this point the compressor reacts mainly on a high frequency.
Correct.
And you can continually change that until it reacts on the low frequencies. So you can, even with just the knob, you can change the character of the compression really heavily.
That's really cool. And as I also see here, there's a mixed blend knob.
Yeah.
So you can have, I don't know, 50-50 of the compressor or anywhere in between. That's great, man. And what's the street price of this Varimir compressor?
This one is 3,499, including tax. But to say, if one wants to demo it in his own studio, just register on our website and we will send it out for 14 days.
Okay.
For testing.
So that's probably the best way to really test such
so you can test it in your own studio.
In your own studio where you know the acoustic, you know your speaker setup, and that's a great deal. Man, thank you so much.
Great.
Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you next time soon.
Yeah,
Cheers.
Thank you.